What?
Ah! Dude! Ah! God! First time going.
This is Wicker Basket Whomper.
Oh. Fuck yeah! No, not again, not again.
Shatter.
Shatter.
You can need some. Move your hair so I can see that, Tom. Move your hair, Tom.
I'm not gonna. It's
Hey,
dripping all
dude,
over the
that
place.
is dripping
You need
blood, man.
Something.
Move your hand so I can
What's up?
see
Let me
it.
You
hear.
need stitches like Rapaz.
Seriously.
No, you're gonna need something on that, Tom.
You're putting your shirt
Tom, you're a fucking moron. Why did you just do that?
I'll do it with this. I don't care.
It's inside at least.
Hey, just bend down a little.
Okay, we don't need blood down his head for 3 hours.
Hold on, hold on.
It's a piece of wicker I just pulled out of my head.
That's what was causing all that blood.